Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you need to find where the DLC fuse is located, this is the data link connector fuse, guys. That's where you connect the diagnostics to Honda CRV. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, guys. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague, and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the DLC fuse, that's the data link connector fuse, where it's located, guys. We're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV right here. We have two fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we'll be working the one that's easy to access. It's right under the hood. That's your engine, car battery. That right here is your fuse box. Open that cover here, guys. You will see a fuse box layout like this one. Now, here that will be the front of the CRV. This is towards the windshield side. And before we continue, by the way, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, which fuse we need to check specifically, okay, for the DLC data link connector. If you see that row of fuses, that's from the windshield towards the front of the CRV. There is 3 10M fuses. That very last one, that's fuse number 29. That's the one, guys, for the DLC data link connector that you will need to check. When you open the fuse box, that will be the one towards you facing, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.